Hello there, my name is Ronnie K, and in this video we're going to create a simple card deck using C++. All you need to have is a basic knowledge of C++ and an IDE that you can work within. Let's move to my IDE. This is a dev C++. Of course, you are more than welcome to use anything you feel comfortable within. So as you see, I already started with the basics, including the IStream main functions right there. Namespace std. Here we go. Let's jump in straight to the creating the deck. So for that, we're gonna have to create a class, and that will be the card. Within that class, we're gonna declare two variables. Let's make them public for now. Of course, if you're familiar with classes, you are welcome to play around. First character is the face of the card, and the second one will be the string, and this will be the symbol of the card. YD symbol. Here we go. And right underneath the class, let's declare the global object right there, global, so we can use it afterwards in a few functions that we're going to create underneath it. Right, card, and the deck is going to be the object. Deck will be the array of 52, because we're going to have 52 cards right there. So that's done. Let's move to the main function. And within the main function, we're going to have to create two more arrays. Character array right there for the faces. And let's call it face. And right there, we're going to have to write down all our faces that we need for the cards. I'm going to do the copy paste with the faces right there. You're welcome to press pause and write them down. Okay, let's proceed. The second array will be the string array, and I guess you guessed it, that's a symbol array. Symbol array, also we're gonna have to fill in with the symbols we're gonna use, like hearts and the diamonds, and the last, what was another one? The spades, and the last one is the clubs. Here we go. Those are the values for the faces and symbols. So what we're going to do next, we're going to assign all these values from array face and array symbol to the deck. How we're going to do that? We're going to use for loops, and for the for loops we need three more integers. So let's declare I, j, and l. All right, first for loop. For I equals 0, while I is less than 4, I plus plus. Here we go. That this for loop, we're going to loop through the symbols right here: hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Okay, so then within this for loop, we're going to create another one. So for the j equals 0, and while j is less than 13, because this is how many faces we're going to have, 13, and j increment right here. Within these two for loops, we're going to do the assignment. So how is going to happen? For the hearts, you're going to assign the 13 faces, and then for diamonds, we will assign 13 faces, and so on until we get to 52 cards, because 4 times 13 is 52. All right, the assignment right here. For the deck, this is where we're going to use the L, deck L, because L going to keep growing right up till the 52. We're going to do the increment at the end of the assignment. Deck L face will be equal to the face, and for the faces we choose J, so that will be J. And for the same card, deck L symbol will be equal to the symbol of, and we choose I for that, so the symbol I. Here we go. And at the end, right, as I said, let's increment the L, so it keeps growing right up till 52. In the big picture, this is it. This what makes the card deck right there. To test it out, let's just create a function right here within the class. It's going to be void function. What it's going to do is just going to print out the card for us. So let's call it print card. without spaces, card, and within the function, let's ask it to print it. So cout face, and let's make it look nicer. Face off, nicer and more understandable face of symbol. So that's going to print out like ace of hearts or 5 of diamonds or 10 of clubs. Oh, right there. One more thing that I forgot to mention right here. In the face array, as you noticed, it's a letter, capital letter T, where 10 is supposed to be. It's just because of the character, or for the sake of the video shortness and the character array. It supports only one symbol. So if you write in 10, actual 10, it's just going to print out 0, and that doesn't look good at all. Okay, let's test it out. If how does that all work for us? Let's call the function print card. So for the deck position 0, which should be the ace of hearts, because that's the first card in our deck right there. So the console log should print out as the ace of hearts. Let's see. Let's compile and run it. It does compile and runs, and that's what it shows to us is an ace of hearts, which is great. We're happy. And to test out all the deck, let's print out all the deck. Right underneath where we declared our deck, let's create another function. That's another void function. And this one will, let's call it print the deck or print deck. And within the function, we're going to have to declare another variable because we're going to use a for loop. Let's make it k. It's going to be a local variable just for this function. So for k equals 0, while k is less than 52, because then it's going to do it 52 times, k plus plus. And within this function, we're just going to call the function print card. So for the deck k, let's, yeah, well, I'm using these shortcuts. You're also, if you use, I believe, any IDEs, they always offering them to you. All right, and that's going to print out our card 52 times and our 52 cards that are what I mean. So let's put them all in a new line. Cout d and new line, and I have this, don't have this symbol on the English keyboard, so I'm gonna use this. Here we go, that's done. And right here where we called the print card function, let's just edit it, delete the deck, and instead of print card, let's call print deck. Print the deck. Here we go, and run it, and that's what it does. It prints out all the deck that we have here. Ace of hearts till king of hearts, ace of diamonds till king of diamonds, and so on till the king of clubs. Here we go. We have created our deck of cards. And if you are wondering about how to shuffle the deck and print the random card out, you're welcome to watch the second part of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this useful. Have a nice day.